So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio TV stuck in wide mode, aspect ratio, zoom lock reset. So fix 1 is adjust picture setting. Press the menu or gear button on your Vizio remote, navigate to picture or display setting. Locate and select aspect ratio or picture size. Change the setting from wide or stretch to normal. Second fix is turn off zoom mode. Press the menu or setting button, scroll down and select accessibility. Highlight zoom mode and toggle it off. Third fix is reset the connected device. Unplug the streaming device or cable box from the TV and add its power source. Wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Check the setting on the device itself to ensure the output resolution is set to audio or 1080p 4K depending on your TV. Fourth fix is power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV power cord from the electrical outlet while it is turned on. Press and hold the power button on the physical TV for 5 to 10 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Fifth fix is perform a factory reset. Press the menu button on your remote, then go to System, Admin and Privacy, then reset to factory setting. Select Reset TV and confirm. Thanks for watching.